Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to be admin in Facebook Messenger group. In order to become an admin in Facebook Messenger group, you could either need to create a group or be promoted to admin by a current group admin. So what you need to do is here, you want to first of all open the Messenger application. The next thing you want to do is open up the chat page or the group page. Here it is. Then you want to select or click on the name of the group. When you do it so, scroll down and go to see members, and you could see all the members. Now here you could go and click on it, and what next you want to do is over here you want to go to admins, and you could see this particular person is an admin. Now in some cases you could actually go ahead and become an admin itself just by tapping on accept link, or you could just go ahead and click on admin and you could be an admin. However, the other thing you want to do is tap on invite as admin, or you have to get the link from the particular admin at the moment and get or press on the link, and you'll be able to be admin in Facebook Messenger group. That is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.